Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at doing some simple surface modeling of airplane wings, and it's pretty simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started here. So first thing I'm going to do is turn on my origin here. Now if you have a wing profile that you want to use, like the NACA series or any of the ceiling series or anything like that, go ahead and get that. And but I'm just going to be using just an arbitrary airfoil to do this, to show you guys how to do this. Create a sketch on this plane here. And I'm going to sketch a line. And again, this is just an arbitrary airfoil. And then one of my earlier videos, I show you guys how to use the DAT tool. For airfoils. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and mirror this. And select the mirror line as to this. And go and click OK. And I'm going to go ahead and finish sketch here. And rotate this a little. And we see we have this. Now what I'm going to do is do an offset plane. So I'll come up to Construct, Offset Plane, and then select this plane here, and move this out here. And whatever length of your wing you want it to be, just move this out to that. And click OK. And now I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. And I'm going to sketch another arbitrary airfoil. And I'm going to mirror this again. Now we have that. And go ahead and finish sketch. Okay. And now I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. And I want to project some points first. That back one. Okay, now those are projected onto this plane here. Now I'm going to use fit point spline just to show some curvature. See if I wanted this to, let's say, go up here, down here, and up here. I'll go ahead and finish sketch. And this is what we have now. I'll come up here to surface. And we're going to use the surface loft. Select this and this. And then we want to add rails. And now this one, it says it's missing here. Let's see, zoom in here a little more and see what's going on. Okay, it says it's missing the profile there. So what we're going to do is cancel this. Now, the problem, as you can see, this is not touching this. And this is not touching this. So what we'll do is just delete this and come back to the sketch and edit. Then we can project again. Or actually, matter of fact, we can do something a little different. Cancel this. Just thought of it. We're going to loft again. I don't know why I didn't think of this before, but it goes like this. That was my mistake, what I did. Instead of not selecting things, then I can add rails. My mistake, what I did. And we have this here now. Let me cancel this and go back. Okay, now, sorry about that. That was my mistake. Was not thinking. Loft. What I did, I didn't select this line the first time I did that little line there. Just like that. Now you can come over here and add your rails. Just like that. And we have a curved shape here now. As a wing. Now, if you don't like this color on the top here, just come up here and modify and select reverse normal and select that and click OK. So we have that now, the top of the wing. And we could use a loft to go ahead and do the bottom of this. I'll go ahead and do that. Or what we can do is just use a mirror this, and then select this as the mirror plane and join and click OK. And that's our wing. Even has some curvature here, like that. And then to make this a solid body, what you would do is come up here and patch this and patch the other side also. Then come up here to stitch. And then you're going to select this. This. And click OK. Now, as you can see, this is a solid body now. And that's our wing done with surface modeling. Very simple to do. Now your sketch is here. From that sketch, we have that shape of that wing. And we could move these around, as you can see. Just like that. If you wanted a different shape. Just that simple. But yeah. Anyway, it's going to do it for this short little video. Just want to show you guys some surface modeling techniques here to surface model a wing. And as you can see, it's not difficult to do. And there'll be a link down below to the video that I show you guys how to use the DAT information and how to put that in here and use that. And so you have the profile of your wings and using the DAT information. So yeah. Anyway, if you have any questions on anything what I did here, just leave them down in the comments or contact me on my Facebook group or my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. And if you can, become a paid member on my Patreon site. And there's you have access to a lot of the stuff that I show you guys how to model here on the channel. And it's only $5 a month. And you can download all the stuff over there for that fee. So yeah. If you, again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments or my Facebook group or my Patreon site. And so, yeah, so that's going to do it for this short little video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.